known as green-winged macaw. Macaws are widespread in the forests and open woodlands of northern and central South America. And there you go, folks, our show has officially started. How about a round of applause for a flag-raising bird, Bandit with trainer Kanta. So, hello everyone! Maing hapon sa tanan and welcome to Cebu Ocean Park Sampi Theater. By the way, my name is PJ. I'm gonna be your host for this afternoon. Now, our next featured bird are just like any married couples, monogamous, meaning they'll be partners for a lifetime. Sana all, pretty romantic, isn't it? But as any couples would attest, in relationships, there'll always be battles. Now, let's meet our beautiful pair of blue and gold macaw, blue and azul. And today, they will battle it over who is the best in the basketball game. But before we continue, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now, all boys will cheer for blue. Come on, boys! See, go blue! Go blue! And all the girls will cheer for azul. Come on, girls, say go azul! Go azul! Okay, so are you guys ready for the basketball game? I can't hear you. Are you guys ready? Okay, birds ready, trainers ready, get set, go! Now here comes both birds to the table. First ball for both birds. Second ball for blue, second ball for azul. The last ball is gonna win. Blue wins this game. It's alright, azul, so I guess the girls deserves another round. So I think let's do a ring race. Now the mechanics of this game is the first bird who can drop all 3 rings into the pool the fastest is the winner. Well, that's the ring race. Now, are you guys ready for the second round? Okay, birds ready, trainers ready, get set, go! Now here comes blue for the first thing, leading the way. Here comes the second, hey, what is this? Azul lifting, oh, cheers! At the same time. What a clever play by the girls. And the winner is azul. How about a round of applause for blue and azul? So it's a tie, 1-1. Why did the off win the fielding? Now this time I need an adult volunteer with a 20 peso bill. I need a volunteer, adult palihog. 20, 50, 100 peso bill. Any bills will do. Just raise your hand and I will choose. So isang kamot. Okay, you sir. Please come join me in front and bring with you your money bill. So guys, as you'll notice, most of our birds in the show are parrots. It's because parrots are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musically inclined. They have good memory and remember even the smallest and tiniest details. 20 lang ako, no? 20 lang, sir. Okay, sir. First of all, may I have your name, please? How about a round of applause for volunteer, Mr. Eric? Okay, sir. Can you just stand right here, face towards me, and extend your left arm sideways like this. As I be putting your money between your fingers. Okay, sir, no matter what happens, don't move or swing your arm, okay? Bisa kung sa'yo may tabo ay paglihok, sir. Ay pamilok, sir. Okay, sir, do you have any idea what will gonna happen next? Sakto ka, sir, sharp, yung lumpad diha, sir. Dili sharp, waya, sir. Okay, now you'll see, here comes our money bird blue. Our money bird blue can detect if the money is fake or not. So blue, shall we? Blue flies over, gets the money. What's next, blue? Blue flies back into the table, and I guess blue wants to donate your money! How about a round of applause for generous donor? Asa ka dito? Nakaw, sir. Dalayan yung malakit, sir, eh. Asa naman itong istorya ganiha, eh? Ala, nawaktang na. Sa joker na ito ganiha. O, asa naman ito? Yan. Hadlok ako ng 5K. Okay, sir. Did you know that Cebu Ocean Park is also a wildlife rescue center for the animals? Kabaw ba ka, sir, nga? Rescue center, mga kabaw, sir. And now you know. And your money will go a long, long way. And we are very grateful for them. Thank you so much! You know what, sir? Dito lang ako, sir. You know what, sir? We are just kidding. It's just party show. We will earn your money, but before that, Blue wants a picture with you for souvenir. So you're gonna have a photo opportunity with our lovely bird. So para nakita ni Sir, si Sir ni Salida, para ni Cardo de Lisay. Okay, sir, now give us your best pose and best smile together with our bunny bird. On Instagram. Okay, sir, there you go. Here's your phone, and here's your money back. How about a round of applause for our volunteer and our money bird? Blue. Okay, up next, so let's get up close and personal with our 3 different kinds of parrots that we have here in Cebu Ocean Park. So you're gonna have a close interaction with our lovely birds. So guys, madoon mo siya tabangan o ipailaila mo tagsa-tagsa ka mga parrots. So by the way, just a friendly reminder lang, don't try to reach or touch and grab the feathers of the bird para dili sila makuyawan guys ha. Para dili po sila malupad. Okay, so let's call in our green wing macaw bandit, our eclectus pirate red, and our blue and gold macaw goldie. So that is bandit. This is red. And this one is goldie. Okay, so first off, in my left, we have bandit. So bandit is a green wing macaw. As you can see, their body is covered with mostly red plumage. Its wing and tail feathers are blue and green. This macaw has a white ticket wing stripe with small red feathers. They are the second largest parrot next to the hyacinth macaw. That's why they're called the gentle giants of the parrot family. By the way, its scientific name is Arachnopterus. Say hi to everyone, Bandit. Hi! How on the other side? There is something as well. Hi! Okay, so inana, kabibo si Bandit guys. So inana kasadya, this is Cebu Ocean Park. So next up we have there is Goldie. So Goldie is a blue and gold macaw. Well, blue and gold macaw has a beautiful shade of blue in their back and a solid shade of yellow on their belly and inner wings. Its eyes and beaks are solid black. So blue and gold macaw belongs to a large group of parrots that measures about 80 centimeters in length. So these birds can be found in Peru, Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay. And also these birds typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, rambutan, and they also love corn. By the way, its scientific name is Arachnopterus. Say hi to everyone, Goldie. When you try type this guys, the viewer. Okay, bakit yun? Now lastly with me here is our eclectus parrot red. So eclectus parrot is very unusual in the parrot family. It's because of their extreme sexual dimorphism, meaning they have a visual striking differences between a male and a female. So as you can see, red right here is a female eclectus parrot. It's because of her bright red colored feathers. What does it mean? Have a bright green colored feathers. So take note guys, kanilang traits is specific lang sa eclectus parrot. So hindi siya ma-apply sa atong mga macaw. So kanina bird dali na siya mailahan. So makita mo color red anak, pasamot female siya. Color green gani kay eclectus, hindi sa male. So meanwhile, our macaws, bandit and goldie, we need to perform or undergo a DNA sexing and extract blood from them to find out if it's a male or a female. So medyo komplikado guys, o taas na process. Una kung may bawaan, unsa sila, babae ba or lalaki. Pinag-isa lang, DNA isa lang dugo. So eclectus parrot will likely live up to 30 years old. Meanwhile, our macaws, bandit and goldie can live up to, who can guess the lifespan of the macaw? Bilang? 60 to 70 years of age. So I guess that's it for 3 kinds of parrots here in Cebu Ocean Park. We have our green wing macaw bandit, our eclectus parrot red, and our blue and gold macaw goldie.